What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, and I'm also going to go through a few forex pairs. I'm also going to go through few trades updates that we have set in the members only videos that you guys on YouTube can also access just for $4 or $5 something. You can click the join button and start receiving the members only videos where you get commodities updates and signals as well. Proper stops and targets. That's not like a priority group. Priority group is different where you get all the reports, you get live sessions, you get every single thing you will see right here. But if you want to get a flavor of this, you can join my YouTube membership program. Now, in the YouTube membership program, we have recently given few signals, which is one of them is a platinum signal that already hit our take profit, which was right here. I've shown the real trade in my account as well. And then we had recently today this trade that was set as well, and that is 1.3 to 1 reward to risk ratio target has been hit already. If you are someone who's managing your trades to 1.4 to 1, that's totally fine. And with that, I've also mentioned Euro USD, the take profit one has been hit already. That was also sent in my members only video, and this trade alert was sent to the members, to my priority members, not in the video. So you're not going to get trade alerts, you're going to get some videos of commodities which I normally do in my YouTube every day. And the zone was sent to the members and how nicely this zone reacted. So feel free to manage or close, or if you have closed it, that's totally cool. And also I want to mention before I continue this video, I'm running a 30% off. That is a very big offer. I don't normally do 30%, but it is valid till 31st of July. So if you join the premium plan, it will be off 30% off here, and you will get these two plans for free. You don't need to pay monthly. That is a lifetime access with Discord group where you get more trade alerts, where you get more inside of the market, and I'm in touch with you every single day. And lots of benefit you get with this one, and you also get my AI signal bot here. So 7 days to go right here. Make sure you grab this offer. Otherwise, the next one is going to be in November, which is a Black Friday. So you don't want to waste these months. And I'll be uploading few great breakout strategies this year as well. So once you buy the course, you're going to keep on getting my up-to-date content as well. I want to give you one update here of this Forex pair, which is CHFJPY. Now, I've been taking some nice badass trades of this pair all the way from A until the price is pushing up in an uptrend. Now, as you can see, the price is now in accumulation phase. Now, at this point, the price just formed a bull flag pattern. Now, once the pattern is broken out with a solid candle, we are going to go long. Now, I just want to show you one example I've just taken that was mentioned in my members only live session, not to my YouTube members. And as you can see, the take profit one equal to this high has been hit. And if you're managing your trade, that is still resistance. So that was something also mentioned in my live session. All these videos I'm going to show you in my weekends video on Saturday, so that you can see all these trades were taken live, and I'm not showing these trades after the profits has been hit. So keep an eye on this bull flag pattern. If we are broken above, means we are in a trend continuation. If we are broken down with a solid candle, means we are in the reversal. So keep an eye on this pattern. So let's start the analysis of net gas. Now, before I continue, let me inform you that I'll be flying to Turkey tomorrow, and I'll be there for next 1 week. And if I don't respond to your messages tomorrow, on Friday, that's why I booked my ticket on Friday, so that you guys don't miss any update. And if I'm not responding to your message, you know that I'll be traveling and I'll be flying and I don't have access to my phone or internet. And once I'm there, you get all the videos, live session, everything is going to run as normal. So just on Friday and Saturday, I might not be available, but from Sunday, from the weekend's video, you get all my updates. So what to expect from it? Now, price just pushed down, hit my support. Now, at this point, we are in the major support and we are seeing the reaction from this morning star bullish pattern. Now, the price, if you look here, already pushed up more than an ATR, almost an ATR. As you can see, the ATR of this candle is 5. Now, if I would have taken this entry, my take profit one of 73 pips, that's a good profit, has been hit, a quick scalp. Now, I've not entered this trade because I don't like to enter Morningstar, even though you can still enter it, but I'm still testing that these days, how I can use morning and evening star patterns, and that is something I'm going to put in the course as well. Now, there's still a chance the price come down and form solid engulfer. Now I want to see a solid condition. If you remember, I've said I want to see a bullish engulfer that engulfs the wick. If you can see a condition like this or a condition like double bottom, that is the strongest condition, and that is something I want to see. Lots of wick, long wicks, green candles in this zone. So that is why there is still a chance the price come down and form engulfers or double bottom. Now let me give you a heads up. We can see a nice correction, and then we can see a bearish engulfer. Like I mentioned yesterday, if there is no condition, we can see a bearish trade and price can push down as well. So if we have engulfers or double bottom in this zone, and we are going long, so be patient. Patient pays you a good reward. If you're not patient and just getting into these type of trades, not a very good setup. In that case, you are not taking a good trade. Now one more thing I want to mention. As you can see, we are getting big candles, momentum candles. Now this big candle happened at my support, means there is still a strong bearish pressure, and there is still a chance the price can come down, and inside this zone it can form a condition. So that is why it is risky for me to enter by looking at this bearish candles. Bearish pressure happened at my support, so that is why I want to see clear rejection from my support. Engulfers or double bottom will be preferable. So make sure enter your trades with condition. We are now in the support, but we must want to see a valid buy condition. Now there is a chance after the pullback we can see a bearish engulfing pattern, and then I'll be going short till I see a valid condition. So a heads up here, the strong bearish pressure is still present, and we can still see a possible push down. Until we see a buy condition, we are not taking any trades. And same goes with NEMIX. Now here on NEMIX, as you can see, strong bearish candles happening right here. Now we might get a double bottom. If we have that, that is also good to go long. If the price come down, retest the previous bottoms exactly here without a candle to close below the wick, in that case we are good to go long from here. So keep an eye on the double bottom here as well. If the price just come down here, reject here, that will be a double bottom, but there is still a chance the price can come down in the support and form a condition. There is no buy condition yet, but we can still look for sell bearish condition till we get a strong bullish engulfer. Must be a strong engulfer. I want to show you the price previously formed a double bottom right here, and I want to show you a condition that previously formed a nice bullish candles right here or inside bar exactly like this. So that is something we need to see, some sort of bullish pressure. There is no bullish conditions at this point, so make sure you look for a better setup. It can still push up, don't curse me later on, but I'll be only entering when the price form a nice setup for me, and only then I'll be entering this trade. And MCX audience, you have a double bottom here, and there is a chance the price is gonna push up. So you guys have a condition here, it might open up in gap for you, and if that happens, go for a quick scalp. If you are already in the trade, once you are exit, make sure you look for another entry within this zone if that happens. Otherwise, bearish engulfer 50 EMA rejection is expected from where you are going short. So wait for the good setup to the other platform I'm talking about. Once it forms exactly like this, a strong bullish candle, then we are going long from here. For now, we might see another pull up and then push back down. Next up, we have gold. Gold nicely pushed down and all the way from a resistance as mentioned yesterday. Now, that was a zone we knew that price is going to likely fall, and we are now falling down. Now, at this point, the 50 EMA, the price is now below 50 EMA, but if you look here on a daily, it is rejecting 20 EMA. So that is why we are still bullish for the long term, but the short term, if there is one more red candle close below, in that case I'll be going short. So I'll just waiting for the price to form one more red candle, and then I'll start to look for my short trade. So for now, I was looking for the head and shoulder bearish pattern as well, which is not valid anymore. I was looking at that last night, so don't worry about this pattern at this point. So make sure you look for one more close, and then we are going short from here. Now, I want to mention one more thing. If you look here, we had a left shoulder, pullback, head, and now it might form a right shoulder. But for that, it must come down. It must come down and reject from this purple termination zone. So for that, it must come down here. So once the price is here, expect another bounce, and then you can see a reversal signal. So that is a reversal signal I'm expecting out of gold. Have your termination zones ready like this, and it is precisely like this. So keep an eye on this termination zone and expect a possible push down to this termination zone, and the traders might be pushing, and the big boys might be pushing to form this pattern, and you might see these kind of moves to form soon, which is push down and then a pull back up. So I'll keep you guys informed for now. If there is a condition, let's say tomorrow I won't be uploading a video, but if there's a condition tonight, I'll be uploading in the members only videos. Just keep an eye on this pattern and let's see how it performs. Coming here on silver. Silver is also forming a reversal pattern and we are now below 20 EMA. So at this point, I'm still actively looking for a bullish trade. If the price, let's say, come down from red and green in golfer, then I will be going long since the price just made a new high. That is why I'll be looking for my long trades only. So keep an eye on a pullback. If that happens at 50 EMA within golfer, then that is a buy signal and we are just going long from it. So not selling as long as we are above 50 EMA and there's still a chance for a possible bullish pullback entry. Coming here on crude oil. Now crude oil is not a tradable commodity at this point. So as you can see, it is just ranging within this zone. So once I see a breakout, a clear breakout out of this zone above or below, only then I'll be entering my trade. So for now, be patient. Symmetrical triangle, as you can see right here, it must break above or below on a daily with a solid close on 1 hour. You can also look here. We had these fake outs, but it is still intact on a daily time frame. So that is why make sure you look for a clear breakout out of this pink zone, which is right here, for the price to completely confirm its trend. So we'll see how that goes once we are broken down. We are looking at the support which I mentioned in my yesterday's video. Once we are broken above with a solid close, in that case we can see a possible range up to these highs and then a possible push up to the yellow zone, and the zone above that was mentioned in my yesterday's video. So it is not any sort of zone, it is just accumulation within in between these levels. So wait for the breakout. Once the breakout happens, only then we are going to take and look for the direction for crude oil. So that's it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green and you guys have an awesome weekend. Take care.